Good morning students. Now here I am going to discuss the second chapter for class 9th, that is polynomials. Now first we are going to study about algebraic expression. So algebraic expression is the combination of variables and constants that is separated by your addition sign, subtraction sign, multiplication or division sign. Example I have taken as 2x plus 3y. You can see that x is a variable and 2 is a constant, and they have been separated by your addition sign. So this is known as your algebraic expression. Now algebraic expression has some terms when they having single term, so they are monomial. If they have a two terms, binomial. If they have three terms, that is trinomial. So suppose 2x, so 2x will termed as only one term, so it is a monomial. 2x plus 3y having two terms, so it is a binomial. 2x plus 3y plus 4z having three terms, so it is a trinomial. And algebraic expression having two or more than two terms are known as polynomials. Now the next topic that is very important, which we are going to study, that is known as the degree. So degree means what? Degree is the term which is the highest power of a variable. For explanation I have taken some example here. 7x square minus 4x plus 3. So here you can see that this x having the power of 2, this x having the power of 1. So highest power is 2, so degree will be your 2. Now second, 7xy plus 4y square z plus 6xyz. Now when the variables are different, so here what we do, here we simply add the power and take out the individual degrees. Now 7xy, x having the power 1, y having the power 1, so 1 plus 1 will be your 2. Here y having the power 2, z having the power 1, 2 plus 1 will be your 3. And here x having the power 1, y having the power 1, z having the power 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. So highest term is 3, so degree is 3. Last you can see third, only it is a 6, so here we are having no polynomial. In that case the degree will be your 0. Now next, if the degree of a polynomial is negative term. Now if any degree is coming as negative, then that algebraic expression does not turn as a polynomial. Example I have taken as x plus 1 upon x. Here the degree of this x is 1, and this x we can write x to the power minus 1. So the exponent is coming as negative, so this term does not termed as a polynomial. Second term, you have seen that root x we can write x to the power 1 by 2. So if the degree is of fractional value, that term does not considered as a polynomial. So fractional value also does not considered as a polynomial. Now polynomials having their different names depending on their degree. With degree 1 it is known as linear polynomial. With degree 2 it is known as quadratic polynomial. With degree 3 it is known as cubic polynomial, and with degree 4 it is known as biquadratic polynomial. Okay. Now next very important term which we are going to study, that is known as zeros of polynomial. Now if suppose px is a polynomial, then p of alpha is equals to 0, then we say that 0 alpha is a 0 of a polynomial. How? Let us take one example. Find the 0 of a polynomial px equals to x minus 3. Now we equate this value is equal to 0. So x minus 3 is equals to 0, value of x will term as 3. So 3 here is known as the 0 of a polynomial. This type of question you will get. And second type, suppose value of ft is 4t square minus 3t plus 6. Find f of 4. F of 4 means at the place of t we put here 4. F of minus 5 means at the place of t we put here minus 5. So solution of first will give you 58, solution of second will give you 121. So with next questions I will come in my next videos. Stay tuned. Okay, goodbye.